Hello friend, welcome you on Lamror Academy. I am Rajendra Lamror. I am telling about the header file in C programming. What is the header file in C programming and how to use the header file in the program. Okay, header file in whenever you write the C program, any small C program, we including at least one header file. This name is include stdio.h. This header file containing the functionalities, the scanf, printf informations, and include stdio.n and some other informations. If you want to see the information about header file, then you can go to in your program and check your folder where you installed in system, where you find the one include folder. Inside include folder you will find the some .h files. These are header files. You can check their code what they have written. Header file we can define. Header file, what is the header file is containing? Header file is containing some functionalities, some macro definitions, and some declarations, and many share between other header files informations. So you can check. Or now I am defining how many types of header file is available. Basically two type of header file. One is written by the programmers like us. We can write the own program, own header files, or we can use in the program. Another, the compiler will provide you some header files. These header file you can use in program directly, and like a program compiler will provide you stdio.h, math.h, string.h. These header file provided by compiler. You can write your own header file like lambdaacademy.h, or you can use. When you define your own name header file, you remember the three things. First, you declare your file header name .h extension. File starting would be the letter. Okay, or now you can function whatever function you want to define in the header file. You can define macro, you can define, or define a variable which your requirement as per your requirement. Okay, how to include these header files? If your system define header file or your own define header file, when you including the header file in the program, use the hash include word. Okay, if you defining using your compiler define header file, you simply define hash include stdio.h, means hash include or file name. Simply you use your header file will be included. If you want to use your own defined header file, then you use hash include double quote file name with path double quote. This is the another way you can use your own defined header file. This is your compiler defined header file. This is your own defined header file. Now I am showing you the one program how the header file is working in your C program. Here I am defining the stdio.h, void main, integer a equal to 10, integer b equal to a, or printf square root of %dh. If you find this one, this program will give you error because we do not define the square root.h. So if right now if you are running this program, will be showing the one error. Error is that a square root function is not found. Okay, so now if I am including the math.h, include math.h, if I running the program right now, this program will give you output because the math.h program we have a contain the square root function. So right now you can see the output of the square root of 9 equal to 3. Square root of 9 equal to 3. This way you can run the program. Or if you want to define your own header file, you define your own header file, or include double quote inside, give your path whatever you have. Okay, this way you can define your own defined header file. Thank you friend. I hope you understand how to define the header file and how to use in the program. If you have any doubt, comment below. I will try to reply as soon. Thank you friends for watching.